Scarlett Johansson. Scarlett Johansson is a well-established Hollywood actress known for her dazzling beauty and her acting skills. Her nickname is ScarJo by media. Her first movie was released in 1994 North. She did blockbuster movies in her career so far, even she has won many awards for her performance in films. She is also famous on television for promoting brands like Calvin Klein, L'Oreal and Louis Vuitton. She is also the brand ambassador of Spanish clothing brand Mango later 2009. To keep her fit and younger, she does very bushed workout to shed unwanted fat and even go through several small meals during the day for feeling active and full with the stomach. ScarJo's diet plan. Breakfast. She eats an omelette made with 2 eggs, plus oatmeal, plus fresh berries. Lunch. It consists quinoa plus turkey salad with olive oil, plus spring onions, plus lemon juice. Dinner. She includes high-fiber diet as in steamed fish, with cabbage, plus broccoli and onions. She eats cheese as well. Workout plans. She always does a different workout on a different day and follows a strict fitness plan to keep her body slender and sexy. In recent times she is preparing for her new movie Avengers and following the strict workout plan, which includes the following. What is your opinion about Scarlett Johansson? Please comment.